Good morning, grade 5. This week you're going to create your own advertisement. Hopefully by now you watched the video on activity 7.3 where we looked at the ad for the Titanic voyage. And now I'm just quickly going to explain to you what you're expected to do here. So you are going to design an advert for the county fair. We've been reading about the county fair in Charlotte's Web, and you're going to advertise the event. Right. It needs to be done on A4 paper, and there are certain requirements that you need to fulfill. So firstly, I'd like you to create a catchy headline. And you will remember from the Titanic advertisement that they often used the verbs in the imperative, so come to or join us, or a verb in that style. So just as a hint or something, you can use the verbs in the imperative. For example, come, da-da-da. Okay. Then you need to include a couple of selling points. You'll remember that on the Titanic advertisement, they made it seem like an adventure. They said that it's the first voyage, that it's going to be very fancy and luxurious. So those were all words that sold the trip. So you need to think of which word would sell the fair. And also maybe which activities. So what can you do there? What's going to be fun? Who is it for? So if there's something for kids, you need to mention that. If there's something exciting for adults, you should say that too. It's important that you include the details like the date, the place, the time, and the cost, and you can make these up. All right, so you're just going to come up with your own information there. Then I'd like you to draw a picture. I don't want you to print out the picture. You may print the text if you want to, so you can type the text on the computer and print it out, but I'd like you to draw your own picture. Don't trace it, just be creative. And then lastly, the layout is going to be important, where you've placed the different elements. The heading should probably be a little bit bigger and bolder, right, than the other words, the other parts of text. Okay, so this is the assignment for this week. You've got a lot of time, and I'd like you to put in a lot of effort. All right, wishing you luck. Goodbye.